Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to make your Adam voice sound more human-like in ElevenLabs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you're using one of the Adam voices in ElevenLabs and want it to sound more natural and less robotic, there are a few different settings you can adjust. So the best way to do it is go ahead and choose that Adam voice that you want to use. And then below that, we've got some settings we can change here. So before generating the audio, click on the voice settings, and then you want to experiment with these options. So we got stability here. So lower stability around 30 to 50% makes the voice more expressive and emotional. Higher stability around 70% to 100 produces a more consistent but flatter delivery. Now we got similarity, so keep this relatively high, 75 to 90%, to maintain Adam's natural voice characteristics. And if you've got speaker boost, now if available, turn this on to improve voice clarity and overall quality. And if there is style exaggeration on that type of Adam voice, increase it slightly to add more emotion and variation, and avoid setting it too high as it can sound unnatural. Now, another thing what we can do is use better text formatting. So instead of typing something like this, welcome to today's tutorial where I'll explain how to use ElevenLabs, try writing something a little bit more expressive. So I'm just going to remove this and just change the formatting a little bit better. So you can see here I'm using exclamation marks, commas, dots, and all that stuff. So yeah, try adding commas, periods, ellipses, question marks, and exclamation marks. This helps ElevenLabs create more natural pauses and speech rhythm. Now, another thing we can do is to write conversational scripts. So avoid long, complicated scripts. So instead of writing something like this, say this instead, a little bit shorter. Now, writing the way people actually speak usually produces much better results. Also, you want to break up long paragraphs, so rather than generating several paragraphs at once, split your script into smaller sections. This often results in more natural pacing and fewer pronunciation mistakes.